Welcome back to the Christmas Light Academy. Thank you guys for being here. And today I just want to jump on here and talk a little bit about why the heck I invented the SPT Wire Caddy. Now this is a little version that we got made. It's for the desk, so it actually functions. The lid comes off, this comes off. Pretty cool. Just want to talk about why the heck did I even put so much time into this product of the SPT Wire Caddy. Honestly, it just comes down to like who I am as a person, man. I just love creating things, solving problems, and just making other people's lives better and just having fun while I do it. The SPT Wire Caddy is just something I feel like every Christmas light installer could use, you know. Like we all carry our spools of wire, we have male and female plugs, we got hot glue, we got cutters, and why not just have a tool or a little caddy? Like it's all the same stuff, whether you're in Florida, Denver, Colorado. I mean, we're all using wire caddies. Obviously the SPT Wire Caddy isn't for like roof guys per se. Really it's for like the ground guys, creating efficiency and organization inside of the vans and the trucks. Really good for ground guys, mainly the power guy, you know, the guy who's getting power from the timer up to the first set of lights, and then he's running power from that wire over to the bushes and then out to the tree and then just powering up the ground lights. There's so much work on the ground. You know, the roof guy's running lights and he's, you know, making some jumper cords here and there, but the main power is happening down on the ground. So I don't recommend taking these things on the roof. They do have like little rubber feet on the bottom. If you're on shingles, depending on the pitch of the roof, I mean, it is gonna grip. It's not gonna just slide off. It does have the little feet on there, but I don't recommend taking it up there. You know, maybe one day we'll create like a roof holder or something like that. But here's the real wire caddy, by the way. This is the big one. The little bit. But let me show you guys. So we got a lot of requests as soon as we started building this thing where people wanted lids. They were like, dude, this is great, but I can only imagine this thing spilling over in the van and dumping all the plugs out, you know, because it holds 225 plugs. So you could do 75 male plugs and then like 150 female plugs. It's also got the section for your hot glue. So if you can see, this section's a lot smaller. That's because it's really only for the hot glue to go right there. That's the main thing. That way you got about 25 sticks, which is like a little pack of hot glue sticks. You got your cutters. I recommend these cutters, pretty good. I think they're at Home Depot. Let's see. Oh, end caps, little bag of end caps. If you're in Florida and you're installing in like October or maybe Arizona or Texas and you're installing early September, man, it is hot. Man, throw a water bottle in here. Let's see, we got the one plugs, female plugs. It's nice. So what we do, you know, this is the 4th generation of this wire caddy. It's not like I just started building this thing. We were making them out of wood at first, and the original ones only worked with a 250-foot spool of wire. It's a spinning base, so this spins, so the wire pulls smoothly out of the sides of these little holes. Sorry, I'm like looking at the camera backwards. But originally we were looking at only a 250-foot spool, and then the more and more installers I talked to are like, bro, you need the 500-foot spools or 1,000-foot spools. Switching last year to only running 500-foot spools, and that was a game changer. Like we stopped running out of wire a lot faster just because it was like the biggest problem, and it locks together too. That's the button. But I guess the biggest problem originally was like, okay, you try to put a 500-foot spool on a single layer, this thing becomes like giant, like super long. So I actually used AI and ChatGPT to really come up and help design a lot of this stuff, man. 500-foot spools fit the bottom, the 250-foot spools fit, and we are working on like a base solution for 1,000-foot spools. But if you're one of the guys using 1,000-foot spools, I mean, that's 22 pounds of wire you gotta carry around. Your guys gotta carry around on every job. Like a 500-foot spool of wire is 11 pounds. That's already enough weight to be carrying around, especially if you're doing like little houses, quick jobs. I mean, you don't need a 1,000-foot spool on every job. Now, if you're running big HOAs and big jobs, Yeah, I can understand a 1,000 foot spool. So I would recommend that. But we are going to come up with a 1,000 foot base. Another product that we're adding to the SKUs is going to be basically we're building a base that you can mount in any of your trucks or vans or trailers or whatever, and then you can set these inside of the base, and that way they're not tipping over or falling out or moving around. Like, they basically always have a home. So that's another thing we're adding to the product line. Recently, we've been doing a little bit of custom colors. So overall, I mean, I just have so much fun with this. Like, it is so cool to see like your idea come to life. I'm not the only one involved in this. We have a friend who helps print, assemble, and deliver these. And we also have a friend all the way across the world in Austria, not Australia, Austria. He's basically the one helping design and bring all this to life in a really functional, durable, affordable way. So putting together a team to even deliver on this, not just deliver on design, but deliver on orders and just keeping up with everything. And then for me, kind of being hands off with the whole delivery of it. It's just been crazy, man. I have learned so much in the development of this product. Anyone who's been investing or has bought in the Wire Caddy, man, thank you guys so much for just trusting and trying out the product, man. It means the world to me. Like, seeing those orders come through, like, I'll be honest, we don't even make a lot of money off these, but I don't do it for the money. Like, I do this just because like the pure joy that it brings, solving a problem for other people and then just them seeing the value in like what I created. Like, that to me is so much more valuable, gives me true joy. Some people like watching movies. I just like creating stuff. You know, that's just who I am as a person. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for checking it out. If you want to buy a SPT Wire Caddy, these are limited stock for 2026. www.sptwirecaddy.com. I'll drop a link in the description. Go check it out. One, you can get 2 packs, 4 packs, 8 packs for your whole crew. And just a quick bonus tip on how we use it personally in my decorating business is we already have 4 of these stocked up every day, ready to go. So they're already loaded with plugs, glue, wire spools, ready to go. So that way at the end of the day, our warehouse guy's doing reset. He takes out the old caddies, throws them on the shelf, loads up the new caddies, and then the next day while he's doing reset prep, he can clean them out. I like the fact that you can take this, right? Because you're gonna have little sticks. They just get dirty over time because your guys are working, right? So they can dump it out, clean out all the plugs, re-separate males and females. What we do is we just dump it all into one big bin and just reset. I love it, man. It just really helped create a system in how we keep our wire and our plugs and our common daily materials. We also sometimes will throw some zip ties in there, like the little packs. I just have so much fun making this stuff, man. I don't even do it for the money, you know? So thank you guys for being here. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Also, go check out the SPT Wire Caddy page. We got all social medias out, trying to make some skits and funny videos about the Wire Caddy and just having fun with it overall. Your guys' feedback means the world to me. So if there's something you like or don't like or having problems, man, shoot me a message. You are not gonna hurt my feelings. I'm all about making things better. So appreciate you guys. Mike Carey here. See y'all in the next video.